Okay guys, as you can see, we're outside, and looks like it did bring the rear a little bit. It could be the wheels being towed in a little, but I'm really low on battery power. I snapped all that back together, nailed the tires. Just good to get this car out of here. I want to use this baby again. Okay, so anyway, let's get you set up. And my phone's being a little driving me nuts, to be honest with you. Okay, so let me get this down a little. You can see what I'm doing. All right, all I'm doing is just changing the air filter. It's been a while since I did it. There's 2 clips. Okay, and I mean it's pretty easy, really. I had a good one in here. I guess I bought a cheap one this time, but whatever. All right, so you pop these off. Sometimes these will fall off like that. Gotta be careful, okay? And just pull it out. And basically, all you gotta do is really sneak it out of here. Or you can pull up on it like that, and it'll come out of the tabs, and then you sneak it out. It's probably filthy. I bet you money. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, been a while. Been a while. And it's, oh boy. Well, we got something else going on here. So something was packing in a bunch of crap inside here, in the box. You can see a bunch of leaves in there. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, so we're gonna get them out of there. It's probably my friendly chipmunk at it again. But I'm gonna get those cleaned out right now. Best as I can here. See if I can get this box out of my way. What the hell was that? Oh, nothing. Okay. Get them out of here. They're pretty old because they're kind of crisp, to tell you the truth, but whatever. Losing more of them than I wanted to, but it's all right. I'll get the compressor in here, blow these out of here anyway. But yeah, so who knows? Who knows? Some animal somewhere. I can do this. I'm glad I opened this up. Be honest with you. Wow. No, it's supposed to be a simple video. I guess, like everything. It's okay as long as this ain't clogged up with stuff. And this, no, this might be clogged up. Let me see. No. I don't know how the hell this all got shitted up, but it did. I'm gonna get the air compressor and blow this out because this is pretty bad, actually. Expect it to be this bad, but it is. All right, let me clean this up. Be back. I don't have much power left, but okay. So I'm taking this all apart. I was gonna just blow it out with air. So there's 3 bolts. This goes into here, and then there's 3 bolts over here that you can get. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This pops off, okay? And I'll see how to do this as fast as I can, I guess. And then I gotta take the box out, okay? And there's another bolt back here, okay, which is right there, okay? And this is the top of the box. So I'm gonna leave that in there, but I want to clean this out good. I mean, look at the leaves that are in here. Oh, you can see all of that stuff. It's freaking ridiculous. Anyway, all right, so let me do that quick. Hopefully I can get this bolt out without a major issue. Go easy. You gotta go easy with all this stuff. You know, it's just the way it goes. So, this car's been sitting just too damn long, to be honest with you. But, we'll see. Do our best here. I'll just sneak the box out. I think there's 2 bolts. There might be another bolt in there. I'm hoping not. I think that just has a pin. It's been a while since I've done this, so hopefully I can get the bolt out. All right, so let's get this box out of here. I'll see if I can take this out as a unit. No, I'll get the bolted. I ain't gonna play games with this. That's for sure. I'm trying to keep the lesser amount of leaves out of here. There it goes. It's just a pin that holds the bottom of this. If I can get the whole thing out without shaking up more leaves than I need to is another story. I'll get it out of here. force the hell out of it, but I get it. Okay, there we go. Trying to avoid taking another part off if I don't have to. Okay, almost got it out. She's a freaking tricky one. Oh, you know what? There's a wire to this, I think. There's a wire on this. Is there a sensor on this? Yes, there is. My fault. Okay. Oh, there's a whole hose attached to it. I forgot about that. Okay, well, I'm learning too. Let me see what the hell it is. Oh, it's just a, okay. Just a plastic pin that's attached to it. So I'll just pop this out of here. That's no big deal. You just squeeze. Take a pair of pliers and squeeze both ends of it. That'll pop right off. Of course, you have to find a pair of pliers. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. It's okay. You know, if I can't see the thing, but it's attached to the side of the box. See it there? Right here. I'm gonna take that off, and the box will be out. Okay. Well, this went from an air filter to a cleaning here, but that's all right. It's life. So all you do is just squeeze the two tabs on the end and pull that off. Okay, let me get this, empty this box. I'm gonna hit it with the air compressor quick too. Okay. Probably shouldn't dump this stuff here, but okay. That's pretty clean. Not bad at all. Hit it quick with a paper towel, a little rag, or something. Okay. All right. It's gonna blow the air through it all. Okay, so that's another thing. Do that quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this back together. I just put the one bolt back in. Okay, I blew all the air out. I've got all the leaves out of here. Okay, I got the clip, and this magnet here is an excellent tool. It's telescopic. Gotta have one. Everyone's gotta have one. I'm gonna spray these bolts. I'm gonna put this piece in with 3 bolts, and I'm not recording the whole thing because I've got battery issues here. I just wanted to show you how to change the filter, so it became a little more than I really wanted, but hang on. Okay, I keep trying to do this, so I'm gonna do it now. Okay. Sorry, I got involved with a bunch of other stuff. Okay, here's the new filter. Line it up with the old one. Do this before the battery dies on me, which it probably will. Line them up together. Make sure they're the same, and they are. Great. Okay, all you gotta do is just basically slip it in here. Okay, pull this back a little bit. Slip it into the box like this. And tight fit, but you can do it. I'll just pull the box all the way out of my way so I don't have to fight nothing. Lay it right in there. That's all I'm doing. Okay. Then there's a hook in the back. If you position this just correctly, you just push that down, and it grabs. Okay, you pull it forward, and you snap it. That's it. You're done. Okay, guys, I mean, it's a simple thing to change the air filter. But I got involved in all this other stuff. Thanks to my little animals friends that moved in. All right, guys. I'll have to really edit this baby up a little bit. I'm just inspecting some things. Hopefully some mishaps that may not come about on this car, but we'll see. All right, guys. George, Handyman Hints. And always a pleasure, guys. I got to clean up a big mess here. And I got to get to the lawn. All right, guys. Please like and subscribe. Always a pleasure. Have a good day, man. And I'll give you a little video of the vehicle here, too, while it's out of here. I mean, it's filthy. But I want to show you. It's a little higher than the others, than this side. Just a touch. It's really hard to see it, actually. But it's a little stiffer, too. I can feel it just pushing up and down. But that's because of the shocks. But that's okay. It looks good. And I'll get it aligned and we'll be done. All right. So I'll get this video out too. And then I'll give you the whole thing on this car. All right, guys. You have a good one. Take care, George Handyman Hints. Always a pleasure.